Imagine this, a tiny, almost invisible invader that's infiltrating our environment, our food chain, our very bodies. What if that invader is something we encounter every day in the colors that paint our world? Microplastics, tainted with toxic synthetic colors, are that silent invader? Microplastics, tiny particles less than 5 millimeters in length, originate from a variety of sources, but a large proportion comes from the degradation of colored synthetic materials. These minuscule fragments, often laced with harmful chemicals, are infiltrating our ecosystems on a scale that's truly alarming. To delve deeper into this issue, we spoke with Dr. Marina Silva, a leading environmental toxicologist. The problem with these microplastics, she explains, is that they are not just inert particles. They can absorb other pollutants from the environment, acting like tiny toxic sponges. And when ingested by animals, these toxins can cause a range of harmful effects. In the oceans, these microplastics are consumed by a vast array of creatures, from tiny plankton to massive whales. On land, they infiltrate our soils, entering the food chain through plants and insects. And the colors that make these microplastics so visually appealing, they often come from synthetic dyes, which can contain heavy metals and other harmful substances. We also spoke with Dr. Liam Harper, a marine biologist specializing in microplastics. This is a global issue, he states. These microplastics, carrying their toxic load, can travel vast distances on ocean currents or in the stomachs of migratory animals. They are a silent, invisible threat that we are only just beginning to understand. So what can we do to fight back against this silent invader? First, reduce the use of synthetic materials and opt for natural alternatives whenever possible. Second, support companies that are committed to minimizing their environmental impact and are transparent about their production processes. Third, advocate for stricter regulations on the use of synthetic colors and the disposal of plastic waste. But most importantly, spread the word. Share the knowledge about the toxic impact of microplastics pollution from synthetic colors. Make people aware of the silent invasion happening right under our noses. Remember, change starts with awareness. It's time to unveil the hidden dangers of microplastics and stand up against this silent environmental menace. For the sake of our planet, our wildlife, and our own health, take action today.